Look at it. Sound it out.
I. It. Zach.
No.
Zach.
You sounded it out correctly the first time. I. Z.
It.
No.
Z.
Why you keep putting a T in it? I. Z.
It.
Is.
Is. Zach is a rat.
Okay, flip.
Zach had.
Ah.
Zach. Zach.
That is not an H. Why are you saying H?
I don't know.
You do know. Look at it. What does it start with?
Zach. Zach sat on a can of jam. Zach had a pan. Boom. I meant bam. Zach had a pan. Zach had a fan.
Good job.
The ants ran and ran. Zach had a nap.
That's it? Yeah.